In its latest correspondence dated April 19, 2021 to Prime Minister Mark Phillips, the Guyana Public Service Union has appealed for the reintroduction of the rotation system within the public sector. The union made reference to a caution issued by the United States Center for Disease Control and Prevention, which warns against traveling to Guyana over COVID-19 concerns. The CDC ranked Guyana's COVID-19 situation at the highest level and highlighted that travelers should avoid all travel to the country, including those fully vaccinated against the disease. The union further drew attention to the massive increase in new COVID-19 cases and deaths for the month of April, as well as the fact that a number of these cases were detected in regional administrations and agencies. During a press conference on Tuesday, Patrick Yard, president of the Guyana Public Service Union, lamented the government's slothfulness in taking action amid the prevailing COVID-19 situation.
We feel the matter is being addressed too slowly. This is something you're dealing with life and death. We will be issuing a circular to all our members that they must not engage in anything whatsoever, regardless if they feel that it is a health risk, if they feel that they are at any risk, and to report that to us immediately.
He opined that the relaxation of some of the guidelines intended to curb the spread of COVID-19 is a complete disregard for the nation's health.
All these relaxations that are taking place, we see clearly as a collusion with the government, in our view, and certain business interests.
The rotation system in the public service was initially introduced by the former APNU-AFC government in April 2020, approximately 1 month after the first COVID-19 case was identified. Following the changeover of government in August of the same year, the People's Progressive Party Civic decided to end the public service rotation schedule on October 7, 2020. By way of letter, all workers were directed to revert to the normal working hours. At the same time, the union is also agitating for the reintroduction of the 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew and a restriction on the number of persons allowed at any one time in the public transport system. Meanwhile, discussions are yet to be held in relation to increases in wages and salaries for public servants. The union has sent reminders to Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Public Services, Soyenka Grogan, calling for negotiations to begin. The Guyana Public Service Union is adamant that all public servants should be paid a living wage of no less than $100,000. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.